The text formatting element. Now we have seen the structure, how we are going to create a web page. After I create a web page, now I need to write something on it because I need to give the information to the viewers. So how am I going to give that information, or how I want my text to be seen? How it to be seen? Either I want it to be made as bold or italics. How I want to look, I want to change the look of my page. Okay, text formatting is used to make a document look attractive, thereby enhancing its appearance. The list of different text level formatting tags are shown as in this table. First is my B tag. B tag, what does B tag tells me is display text. Okay, within whichever text we are typing should be in bold, like this. Hello, this is bold. Then I stands for italicized. If I want my text to be seen as italics manner, then I can give I. If I want to show the text as underlined, I can give it with U tag. If I want to show my text in small font size, okay, small font size I want to show, so I have to give small tag. This subscript and superscript. Now, what is this subscript and superscript is, if I want to type H2O, right? But I want this two to be down. It shouldn't be of the same size and in the same line. If I say H2O, 2 has to come slightly down. If I say A square plus B square equal to C, okay? So this 2 has to go up, this 2 has to go slightly up, and this 2 has to come slightly down. But here, if I type it with the keyboard, all are with the same font size and at the same level, right? But if I want to give this, then I can do that with the help of sub and soup. Okay, how can I do that? With the help of sub and soup. Okay. Then next I have sub is for subscript coming down, and soup is for going up, superscript. So if I want a square, square I will type it in soup. If I want H2O, 2 has to come down, so I'll give sub. Okay. Now next is insert, INS. What I have? INS. What is this INS? INS is insert. I want to display the inserted text. Okay, I want to display the inserted text. Then I can type INS. Del, if I want to format my text that it should appear within the del as deleted text. I want to show it as the text is deleted, but I want to show. So that formatting is known as del. Next, I want to highlight the text. Highlighting the text is done by mark. Okay. Next, can you see here some examples are given? This is the output. I have to start my web page writing the codes with angle bracket, exclamation mark, doc type, and HTML. I need to mention, I need to tell the browser that the doc type, the type of the doc which I am going to create is HTML. Okay, this shows the first line. Then we have HTML tag, angle brackets are important. After HTML, we have seen that two sections are there. First section is head section and second section is the body section. Okay, now head section gives me the title. Head section gives me just the title. It doesn't give me anything. Title in the head section. Head close, body start. Now whatever I want to display on my page should be written in the body tag. Here I have written B. This text is bold and B close. So can you see here the B The text is in bold format. Next, I have italics. I have given, and inside this I bracket, I have given this text is italic. Can you see the text is italic? It has been increased. It has been slightly diverted. Okay. Mark. I want to show the text highlighted, so I can see the text highlighted here. Then this is subscript, superscript. I want to show. Okay. Here. Subscript. So I have here subtag open, subtag close, and within these subtags, I have this subscript. Can you see the subscript has come down? Okay, because I have given it in the subtag. Next is soup tag. What I have given in soup, soup open is soup close. This is superscript. So can you see here? And is my normal, and I have got here and is my normal text, and then I have here as superscript because I have written it in the soup tags. Okay, soup open and soup close. Next, I have BR. BR stands for break, and come on to the next slide. Next, I have insert. Okay, I want to show that the text is inserted. INS, in, open in, and close in. That is inserted. Can you see this line? It is shown that it was not there previously, but now I have inserted it. Okay, so that shows it is inserted. Next is del. I want to show that the text is deleted. So I have it here. But whatever I have written in the del tag, del open and del close will be shown as deleted one. Okay, BR is used to specify a line break. Okay, next is heading levels. Now we have seen how are we going to format our text. Now we'll see what are the different heading levels. Because if I am showing certain information, that means it could be having many headings. First would be my heading, what the page is about, right? Then I have different subheadings as we have in our textbook. The lesson name is the highest heading, and then we have subheadings inside the page. The topics and all the names are in subheadings, right? The same way we can create heading levels on the web pages. HTML provides 6 levels of heading tags. There are 6 levels. The range is from 1 to 6. These heading levels are represented as H1, and the text content is between H1 open and H1 close. This is also a paired tag. Next, H1 tag displays text in bold and with largest heading level, whereas H6 is the smallest heading. Okay? H1 is the largest heading, H1, and H6 is the smallest heading. Okay? Here, it's the example is given. Here. And output is down only. Okay. First, I need to give doc type HTML, right? Doc type HTML I need to specify. Then I have HTML, I have head. In head, I have given the title as heading levels. You can give any title as you wish. The title will be seen here. Okay, can you see here? Or here, can you see this? These are my title bars. Okay. On this page, can you see my drive, Google Drive? Yes, this is my title. Then head close. Then I start my body, and I have BG color. BG color is my background color of the page. It's white normally, but if I want to change that color, then I can give it to sky blue. BG color. Now remember this. Students make a lot of mistake in COLOR and COLOUR. If you are writing UR, the computer will not consider it as a color. Okay, so I have given background color as sky blue. Now first I start with my H1, and I am writing here heading level 1 text is largest in size and H1 closed. Second, I have H2 open, I wrote something, and H2 closed. H3 open, H3 closed. H4 open, H4 closed, and so on till H6. Can you see the different sizes? It goes on decreasing till H6. Okay, so I want my name, the page name should be in biggest or largest heading, and then it goes on to the smallest. Fine. Note all the heading levels have attribute aligned with left values, left, right, and center. Now, not necessarily I want the headings. Now, this heading is at the left side. Okay, but I don't want it at the left side. I want it in the center. So I can align all the headings as per our wish. For example, H1 align center. Now you can write here right, left, you can write anything in the double quotes. The largest heading size, which is centered, aligned, okay, and H1 closed. Now these things are to be done by yourself. You can try it. Create a simple web page using following features. Now what are you going to just go through these kind of programs? Take the help of those programs, and what you're going to create is a biodata. Largest heading level as biodata. Now here I had level 1. This text is written in the H1, right? You are going to write biodata, H1 open, biodata, H1 close. And that too, you are going to write it in this way: H1 align center, then biodata, and then H1 close. Name in bold. Now I need to give B tag and my name and B tag close. Address in italic. So I'll start I tag. I'll write the address and I'll close I tag. Standard with underline. So I will write U and I'll give my standard and close U. Finish. I got my page, right? Use any text editor to type the code and save it with filename.html or filename.htm. Use the browser to display the output. Okay. I will be showing it to you all how you're going to write this. Should we do this? I'll show you one program. I'll show you it. Okay, till the notepad opens up. Okay, what am I going to write here? So I have angle bracket, exclamation mark, which is there on one. Okay, angle bracket, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML. HTML is case sensitive. It is not case sensitive. So you can write it in caps also and small caps also. It's okay. HTML. Then I have head section first, head open, and I have head close, right? Then I have body open, and then I have body close, and I need to close my HTML. Okay? This is my basic structure. Now, in head, what will I write? Title, and I'll write my title as this is my first web page. Okay, and I will close my title. Head is closed. Okay. Then in the body section, what I want, now I want to create a biodata, correct? So it is my biggest heading, H1, and I am aligning it in center. Okay, double quotes closed. We want the values to be in the double quotes. Then heading is my biodata. Okay, close H1 over. Then what I want? Then I want name in bold. So I have B. Okay, my name and B close. You can write your name here. Okay, B. Then I have address in italics. Then I have I, and I'll write the address as Solapur. I will close I tag. Then what I want, standard with underline. Okay, so underlining is I have U tag for underline and I have standard equal to level. Okay, got. Now, is there anything else? No. And what they have mentioned is you need to save the file as filename.html. So I will save the file, save as. I will write the file name as biodata.html. This is very important. I cannot give or I cannot get the web page if I'm not storing it with .html. Okay, I have to store it with .html, then only I can create or get a web page. I am telling the notepad that this is not a text file. This is a web document as I am saving it by .html. Okay, I have saved it as .html. And what I'll do, I will save it as one more type and I'm not saving it as .html. Okay, I'll show it to you in both the ways. Okay, come on to
all the teachers. Please give the papers. Start the exam.
I have here.
I repeat, all the teachers.
Okay, I will go to documents because I have saved it in documents. File, save as. Can you see here? I am in the documents and I am saving it here. Right? Okay. So I will go. What is the first thing I did? I opened Notepad. I wrote the codes. Second thing, I wrote the codes. Third thing, I have saved it as filename.html and now I am executing it or I am running my file. I am checking whether my file is working properly. I come to documents and then I have to type biodata. Right? If I say open, open with Internet Explorer because this is the default browser, what we can say it as. Yes. Can you see this? I have this, but it shouldn't come here. I have biodata, which is correct. My name has come in bold. Solapur is in italic. It is slightly slanted. And standard 11th is come in underline. Right? So what will I do? I'll just change this. Okay. I will give BR. BR tag gives me break so that each sentence will come on a new line. Save. Okay. Come here. Now there's no need for you to go again to document and then right click and then come to here. I just have open my page is open, the browser is open, so I'll just right click on it and say refresh. Okay. I got all the things on the new line. Yes, my biodata is gone. My doc type is gone. So this is my page. I can give certain background color I want. I can give it for my body. BG color equal to yellow. Okay. Save, refresh. Yes, I got this. Okay. You all can try it at your home. Try it and let me know whether you can get it. Okay. Now, next is inserting image. Inserting image. Image tag is used to insert an image within a web page. It uses following attributes. Which are the different attributes? SRC, height, width, and alt. Okay. SRC, it is used to specify the path of an image. Path, the full form of SRC is the source. Source is the location where the image is stored. Okay, the path of the image. The popular extension of the file image file are PNG, JPG, and GIF. These uh, kind of images we can upload it on our page. I need to specify the height, I need to specify the width, and this is the alternate text. Okay, it specifies the description of the image. Now, how am I going to insert an image is like this. I'll show you. First, we need to find out if there is an image. Where is the image? Now, here are many images. I can just take this image. Okay, I want to upload this image on my page. So, what will I do? I will come back to my notepad where I want my photo or where I want a particular image is after biodata, I want an image. Okay. For image, I have img tag. We'll check whether it's right. Yes. IMG tag, and then I have SRC. Okay. IMG SRC equal to double quotes. Now this is just a slight bit longer process if I want to insert an image. We'll go to the image which I want, right click on that particular image and go to properties. Here is my property window. Can you see your location? Right, I will be selecting the full location and you need to start it from right to left to right. Okay, you need to start from left to right so that I get the full location. I need to copy, Control C. I will come back to my notepad. I will say Control V, that is paste. Now this is my source. Okay, I am telling the browser that my image is in C drive, user folder. In user folder, I have PC1 ka folder, OneDrive folder, and then pictures folder. Okay, so my image is in the pictures folder. What will I do here? I will give one more slash. Okay, it should be the same slash as this. So I have given the same slash. Now we'll come back to our property image, property window, and I will copy the name. Okay, what I did, I copied the name and I have pasted it. What I did, I took my location, then I gave the same slash which is here after my location, then I've given the name of the file, and now last part is remaining, that is the extension, and that is .jpg. Whichever is written in the bracket, you need to take that. .jpg, paste. Or I can write it as .jpg. Okay, double quotes close and angle bracket close. Fine. I have one attribute of IMG and that is SRC. We have taken the location slash file name dot extension. Okay. I will save this. Save it. Come back to my page. Okay. And say refresh. I did not get the image. Why I did not get the image? Now how to debug this is come to the image page, right click on the page, and here I can see the image. Okay, control plus click. Okay, some mistake here. What is the mistake? Can you see here? Copy, and I have here as paste. .jpg. Fine. .jpg equal to I'll change the image. This image is JPG only. I will just change the name of the file. Okay. Save. Come back to my Internet Explorer. Refresh. Yes. Can you all see? I got the world map here. I got this image, but it is very big. I don't want it to be very big. So what will I do? In this attribute only, after double quotes, my source, I will give height equal to 100 and close the quotes, and width I will give as 100. Okay, save, come back here and say refresh. Yes, I got a small image now and I have my name here. I don't want that name to be there. After the image end, okay, after that end, I will give a BR, save, refresh. Okay, so I got these things. I got a smaller image, I got my name, I got Solapur and status, right? So if I want to create a biodata and I want to apply my own photo, I can do that. Okay. Then what is the next one? I can create an HR. HR is the horizontal line. HR tag is used to display horizontal ruled line. It is a singular tag, the attribute with HR tag. Okay, these are certain attributes of HR tag. HR is just the horizontal ruler. Now I want a ruler after biodata. That is just a line. I just need to give HR, finish. File, save. We'll come back here and check, refresh. Can you see a line? Okay, now if I want to increase the size of my lines here, width and size. Okay, width has to be given in percentage or pixels and size is the thickness. So I will give color as red. Okay, then width equal to 10, size equal to 5. Okay. Okay, I give width as 100%, I'll give 100%, I'll give, and size is 5, and I'll close the angle bracket. Okay, this is a singular tag, what we can say it as. Refresh. Yes. Why it is only become 10%? Because this width is my full width. If I give here as 100%, can you see? With whatever change I make it here, I need to save it as Control S. Then Alt Tab, I will come here back and I'll say refresh. Can you see? I have a big 100% width and the size is also increased because I have given it at 5. If I give it as 10, we'll see what will happen. Save and refresh. Got the width is increased. Now it looks good. Yes, I have my biodata. I have a nice good line which is showing me the sections. I have an image and then the text what I have written it as down. Clear? Yes. I have a P tag. P tag tells me that it is the paragraph and I can create a paragraph. Okay. Paragraph is just my normal text. I can do it with the help of P tag. Fine. Understood this much? Yes. Creating a table will start tomorrow. I'll show it to you tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Chalo then. Bye. Take care.